heart, HITEC is a sensor company. Any type of physical parameter that needs to be sensed, HITEC develops solutions to accomplish that sensing activity.
Specializing in harsh environments and unique custom designs of sensors and solutions.
All of the solutions that we provide are bespoke designs for a given application. We innovate on the application of the technology specifically for that customer. HITEC is involved in pretty much all market sectors. The big five for us would include aerospace, medical, automotive, industrial, energy. We are special because of all of the empirical knowledge that we've gained and learned, and we're able to apply that knowledge to other applications.
So HITEC produces a 6-axis load cell that's used in robotic surgery. Without a sensor, a surgeon would be blind. They wouldn't have any feel of what's actually going on.
So every vehicle basically that's being built and getting out of the line is built in the same manner, have the same consistency and safety features, and our sensor is there to be able to measure that pressure to maintain the same weld throughout the build.
HITEC got its start in harsh environments, so it's in our DNA is being able to develop sensors and solutions that survive and excel in harsh environments.
You can make sensors that sense down to the gram load accurately, all the way up to 300,000 pounds.
The load cell that we have designed has a force measurement, so our sensors are regulated, they're calibrated to get the seed into a certain depth. Perfect depth means perfect germination, means guaranteeing that every seed that they put into the ground is going to grow.
To me, a harsh environment is something that's corrosive, or really it's operating at the extremes, whether that's extreme temperature, oily, harsh environment, something that's corrosive that's going to eat away at the sensor.
And with our ability of utilizing sensors that can go up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, that allows them to try to drill deeper into the earth.
But how you apply that technology to a customer's need, their problem, is where the expertise comes in. So that can take, it could be a form factor change, it could be in the operating characteristics of the sensor, but we innovate on the application of the technology specifically for that customer.
What we produce at HITEC, the service we provide, affects so many people in their everyday life, and we might not even realize it.
Throughout an aircraft, you will find HITEC sensors. On the braking systems, pilot control systems, rudders and ailerons for flight control, that feedback is being sent back to the control system so they can actually feel what's happening with the airframe, with the flight control services as they're piloting the craft.
Why choose HITEC?
Zero type failures with our instrumentation.
We did work on the space shuttle, infusion pumps, MRI injectors, medical equipment that's saving people's lives.
6-axis sensor to what would be the risk for a surgeon.
30,000 feet into the earth.
High temperature, high vibration, that's a harsh environment.
The sensor really acts as the brains of this whole system.
We can operate in any type of environment, whether it's high temperature, high humidity.
Provides haptic feedback for the surgeon.
We are working to make people's lives safer.
We have 50 years of innovating experience building custom load cells. We deliver a quality product quickly, efficiently to the customer to meet their needs.